Hi everyone, welcome back to CodeMed Mastery. In this video, let us solve some important practice questions from ICD 10cm. Let's start. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the first question. A patient presents with diabetes mellitus and diabetic neuropathy. Which ICD code is appropriate for these two conditions? Option A, E11.9 is for type 2 diabetes mellitus without complications. Option B, E10.9 is for type 1 diabetes mellitus without complications. Option C, E11.40 is for type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy, unspecified. And option D, E11.65 is for type 2 diabetes mellitus with hyperglycemia. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, E11.40. Because E11.40 is for type 2 diabetes with diabetic neuropathy, indicating the complication of neuropathy in a diabetic patient. Always remember that if the type of diabetes mellitus is not documented in the medical record, the default is type 2. Next question. Which ICD code is used for diabetic ketoacidosis? Option A, E11.10, option B, E10.10, option C, E11.65, option D, E10.9. Option A, E11.10 is for type 2 diabetes mellitus with ketoacidosis without coma. Option B, E10.10 is for type 1 diabetes mellitus with ketoacidosis without coma. Option C, E11.65 is for type 2 diabetes mellitus with hyperglycemia. Option D, E10.9 is for type 1 diabetes mellitus without complications. The right answer is option B, E10.10, type 2 diabetes mellitus with ketoacidosis without coma. Because in the question they have mentioned diabetic ketoacidosis and they have not mentioned coma. According to the guideline, if the type of diabetes is not mentioned, we will code type 2. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option B, E10.10. Next question. What does the ICD 10cm code M54.2 represent? Option A, low back pain. Option B, neck pain. Option C, radiculopathy. Option D, spinal stenosis. Check the code M54.2. The ICD code M54.2 is for cervicalgia. Cervicalgia is a medical term used to describe pain in the neck region. Therefore, the right answer will be option B, neck pain. Next question. A 2-month-old infant receives routine immunization per the immunization schedule. Which ICD 10cm Z code should be assigned? Option A, Z00.121, which is for encounter for routine child health exam. Option B, Z02.89, which is for encounter for administrative examinations. Option C, Z00.129, which is for routine infant exam without abnormal findings. Option D, Z23, encounter for immunization. The correct answer is option D, Z23, because it is specifically designated for encounters where immunizations are administered regardless of the patient's age or the type of vaccine. Z23 is the primary code for the immunization itself.